In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new domain in Hostinger. Let's dive right in and get your domain set up smoothly and efficiently. First things first, navigate your way to Hostinger's website by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll see a Start Now button. Go ahead and click on that. This will begin your journey to getting your new domain up and running. Next, you will need to select a plan that best suits your needs. Hostinger offers different plans to cater to various requirements, so take a moment to consider which plan aligns with your particular project or business needs. After choosing your plan, the next step is to choose a subscription period, which can help you manage your budgeting effectively. Hostinger offers several options, usually ranging from monthly to annual plans, each with different benefits. Once you've made your choice, proceed by filling in your billing information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any payment issues. Now it's time to choose your payment method. Hostinger allows a variety of payment options, including credit cards and PayPal, among others. Select the method you prefer and continue on to the next step by submitting your payment. You should see a prompt to check out the Hostinger panel, often referred to as the H panel. Click on this option and it will guide you to the dashboard where you can manage your domain and hosting services. Moving forward, you'll be asked who the website is for, whether it's a personal project, a business, or otherwise. This step might seem minor, but it helps customize the setup process. You'll also have the option to either create a new website or migrate an existing one to the new domain. Depending on your needs, choose the appropriate option. Then you'll decide where to build your website, whether you prefer using WordPress, Hostinger's website builder, or another platform. Each option has its own set of advantages, so choose one that aligns with your technical skills and project requirements. Now here comes the exciting part, choosing your domain name. This is a crucial step as it represents your brand's online identity. Once you've settled on the perfect name, proceed by clicking Next. Hostinger's tools will also offer to help customize your website using AI, providing templates and design options that suit your needs. After selecting your design preferences, the system will guide you on setting up basic elements like changing colors or text and adding other elements to personalize your site further. Finally, you'll need to connect your domain to your website. Follow the system's prompts, and once you're satisfied with the setup, click Next Step to proceed. You'll conclude the process by clicking Continue. With your domain now set up with Hostinger, you're all set to start building your online presence. Enjoy your new website.